Let us study non-infectious diseases. What is meant by non-infectious diseases? Non-infectious diseases are the diseases which are causing to us not because of disease germs, not because of contact with other people. Non-infectious diseases are getting to us through various other reasons. Now we will study few examples of non-infectious diseases. First example, cancer. Second one, diabetes. Third one, Down's syndrome. Fourth one, Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease. Fifth one, high BP, hypertension. High BP means hypertension. Then low BP, that is hypotension. Then we can say that asthma. Then we can say heart diseases. Then kidney, chronic kidney diseases. Chronic kidney diseases. Etc. So here various non-infectious diseases I mentioned here. Cancer as well as diabetes, familiar to you. Now Down's syndrome means childhood onwards, that means at birth onwards this disease is getting. It is a kind of physical as well as mental disability. Then Alzheimer's disease is getting to the people, that means adult people it is getting. Then due to this disease their memory loss will occur. Other one, hypertension, that is high BP, then low BP, that is related to our blood circulation. Then asthma, severe cough is getting to the people. Then heart related problem, we can say that so much what we can say, cholesterol problem, if more and more cholesterol problem will be there, then heart attack getting, such a disease is known as a heart disease. Then kidney related diseases, severe kidney diseases, that is chronic diseases, that is also because chronic kidney diseases, that is also non-infectious diseases. These all diseases are not getting to us through disease germs or not through contact. Now we are going to study about cancer. Now what is cancer? Cancer, how we are getting cancer, as well as what is cancer. Cancer means uncontrolled growth of cells. Then as a result of it, a part or an organ of the body will have abundant growth of cells will be there. We can say that symptom like severe pain will be there, swelling may occur, or we can say there may be a wound, that wound cannot get cured. Then we can say that there are various types of cancer. For example, oral cancer. Oral cancer means mouth cancer. So there are various types of cancer is there. These all cancers are occurring due to the uncontrolled or abnormal growth of cells. It is not happening all part of the body at a time. It is affecting to a part of the body. For example, we can say that it may affect to the mouth, it may affect to the tongue, then it may affect to our lungs, then it may affect to the stomach, breast, uterus, then like the skin, blood, etc. Like that way, various organs or various tissues it is affecting. Which organs it is affecting, their abundant growth of or uncontrolled growth of or abnormal growth of cells will take place. As a result of it, where it is affecting, even we can say brain it is affecting. As a result of it, their swelling may occur. Then that swelling or any wound is occurring, that cannot be able to cured. Now, why all these organs are getting such a type of disease? What are the reasons for getting cancer to us? For that, one example we can say, consumption of tobacco. We can say that tobacco chewing, then gutka, intake of gutka, then we can say that consumption of alcohol. Alcohol means drinks using people, to them it will affect. Other thing, junk food items. If we take junk foods, example I can say that is pizza, burger, etc. If we take such type of food items, even we can say if we are not taking enough quantities of fruits as well as vegetables, if you are not taking enough quantities of fruits as well as vegetables, we will get cancer. Even saying that heredity also may cause cancer. What is heredity? If our parents or grandparents are having cancer, there is a chance for getting diseases to us. So all these are the assumptions. That means imagination. Maybe because of these things we may get the disease. Even we can say that due to heredity. That means if the parents or we can say our grandparents are having cancer, there is a possibility of getting diseases to us. So we can say that here, if we are chewing tobacco, if we are taking gutka, if we are drinking alcohol, then junk foods if you are eating continuously. That means once in a while if you are taking, it is not going to affect, but continuously pizza eating people or burger taking, those people it is getting chances there. Then fruits, vegetables are containing large quantities of fibers. So fiber is there, such food items if we are not taking, we will get a cancer. Then heredity. That means if our parents as well as grandparents are having cancer, then there is a possibility of getting cancer to us. Now, real reason up till now not found out. Another thing, there may be a doubt from your side, even if we are not taking such all things, even then cancer is getting. So, its reason still means we need to find out. Now, we are studying that what are the symptoms of getting cancer. So, here I am showing you one thing we can say, severe cough will be there. One symptom is severe cough will be there. Second thing, our voice will be very hoarse. Hoarse means our voice will be very harsh. Third reason, we cannot swallow the food items easily. So swallowing will be very difficult to us. Food items swallowing is very difficult due to cancer. Then other reason we can say that inflammation may occur. Inflammation means what? Swellings may occur. Inflammation, that means swellings may occur the part where it is affecting. Then we can say that wound. If there is any wound, that wound cannot be able to cure. Any wound or any scars will occur. Wounds cannot be cured. These all are the reasons for, or these all are the symptoms of cancer. Now we will study diabetes. diabetes is a non-infectious disease. How we will get a diabetes? In our body, a kind of organ is there. That organ is known as pancreas. It produces a kind of hormone. That hormone is known as insulin. This insulin controls blood sugar level in our body. If the production of insulin reduces, there will be no blood sugar level control. If there is no blood sugar level control, we will get diabetes. Now, what are the reasons for getting diabetes? One reason, lack of physical exercise. Lack of physical exercise. Second reason, heredity. Third reason, mental stress. Fourth reason, obesity. Now here, what are the reasons for getting diabetes to us? First reason, lack of physical exercise. If our body has no movement, if we are not doing any kind of exercises, there is a possibility of getting diabetes to us. Second reason, heredity. If our parents as well as grandparents are having diabetes, there is a possibility of getting diabetes to us. Third reason, mental stress. If you are having so much tensions, there is a possibility of getting diabetes to us. The fourth reason, if we are obese, if we are more and more fatty, then there is a possibility of getting diabetes to us. Now, here these are the reasons for getting diabetes. Now we are studying about what are the symptoms of diabetes. Symptoms means which are the signs of getting diabetes to us. One thing we can say that there will be frequent urination at night. That means the people will feel, those who are suffering from diabetes, they will feel to go to urination work every now and then at night time. So that is one kind of or one symptom of diabetes. Second thing, the patients or the people who are having diabetes, they will have either obese body, we can say very fatty body will be there, or we can say they will become very thin. Now here for that some medicines are available in the hospitals. So for getting cure, either we have to take medicines or we have to do exercises and we have to consume proper food item. If we are taking any food item, that cannot be able to fit into such people. So proper food items, which type of food items the doctors are suggesting, such a type of food items we have to take. One thing. Second thing, enough exercises we have to take it. Even we have to take the medicines prescribing and giving by the doctor. What are heart diseases? Heart diseases are non-infectious diseases. If a person is suffering from heart disease, that won't spread to other people. It will be with that person only. Now, the heart disease can spread to other person, that is through heredity only. Now, how do we get heart disease? If there is no proper blood supply as well as no proper oxygen into the heart muscles, we will get heart disease. Most common heart disease is heart attack. Now, what are the reasons for getting heart disease or heart attack? One reason I am saying, that is obesity. Second reason, diabetes. Third reason, high BP. Fourth reason, lack of exercises. Fifth reason, intake of alcohol. We can say alcoholism. Sixth reason, smoking. Even we can say heredity. If our parents or grandparents are having heart diseases, there is a possibility of getting heart disease to us also. So these are the various reasons for getting heart disease to us. Now, what are the symptoms of heart diseases? We can say first reason, that is severe chest pain will be there. Second reason, our arms, full arms will get pain. Third reason, shoulder pain will be there. Neck pain will be there. Even we can say that here our hands will have cramps. Cramps means a swollen up condition will be there with the severe pain. So these all are the various symptoms of heart diseases. One more reason we can say, if you are having heart attack, we will have some tremor will occur. Tremor means severe shaking of our body. Sometimes a hand will have shaking, sometimes a head will have shaking. Even we can say our sound will have some shaking like. So these all are the symptoms of heart diseases. Now, there are various curative measures of heart diseases. All are different types of operations. But only you need to study its name, but no need of studying in detail. So names I am giving here. Which all operations are doing by the doctors for curing heart attack. I am writing heart diseases only here. These heart diseases can be cured by various operations. One thing I am saying, installation of pacemaker. Second thing, installation of stents, S-T-E-N-T-S. We can say that here now two things we studied. Third thing, that is a heart transplant. That means a transplantation of a heart transplant. Heart transplant. So here three we studied: installation of a pacemaker, installation of stents, then heart transplant. Now here angioplasty. Angioplasty. Then bypass surgery. Bypass surgery. Then the last, that is open heart surgery. You need to study only the names here. So, how do we get cure from heart diseases? by doing various operations. Examples: installation of a pacemaker, installation of stents, heart transplant, angioplasty, bypass surgery, then the last one, open heart surgery. Here some people are not depending on doctors. Means there are simple problems like some headache is occurring or such a pain is occurring. Then what people are doing, they are without doctor's prescription, they consume medicines. We can say normal painkillers. If more and more quantities of painkillers if we take, we will get problems to our excretory organs, then we can say our nervous system, that means our brain, spinal cord, it will affect, then even to our liver it will affect. So painkillers without a doctor's prescription we should not consume. Another thing, if we take antibiotics without a doctor's prescription, then we may get nausea. That means if we take antibiotics without a doctor's prescription, we may get nausea. Nausea means a vomiting sensation will be there. Then we will get dysentery, then we can say that allergic disturbances. Example, I can say itching may occur on our body. Itching problem may occur due to unnecessarily or without a doctor's prescription. If we consume excess quantity, more quantities of antibiotics, we are going to suffer with nausea, dysentery. Even we can say that allergic disturbances like itching may occur. Even we can say that on our tongue, white color patches may occur. White color patches may occur on our tongue. On our tongue. So we have to take care that we should not consume unnecessarily, or we can say without a doctor's prescription, no painkillers as well as no antibiotics. Now we are going to study about generic medicines. Generic medicines means what? General medicines. Generic medicines means normal medicines we can say. For example, crocin tablets, etc. General medicines. These medicines are making by normal people, we can say, that means a normal medical companies which are taking approval from government. Then they themselves are making normal medicines. Then those medicines are making with the help of the ready-made formula of the medicines. They are not making new medicines, but they are making the medicines which is having already its formula. That means a method already knowing. So such a type of medicines are making by generic medicine making companies. But by taking license as well as by taking approval from the government they are making. But for making these generic medicines, government authorities are not coming. Instead of that, normal medical companies are making it. But without permission from government they are not making. With the government permission they are making general medicines. So for making general medicines, ready-made formula will be there. Because of that, those medicines are cheaper. Now we are going to study about lifestyle diseases. Lifestyle diseases are causing because of our lifestyle. That means we are getting up very late in the morning, sleeping very late at night, even on time food taking is not there. At a different time we people are taking food items. Then we can say that junk food items more and more we people are taking. Enough exercise we are not having. Then we people are getting lifestyle diseases. So for curing from lifestyle diseases, timely food taking should be there. Enough exercises as well as enough yogas should be taken, should be done by all of us. Thank you.